guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove reels from your profile grid. So you can also do this for your IGTV too, but to do that you can either press on the reel for a few seconds and press remove from profile grid, or click on it and press the three dots on the top right here and just press remove from profile grid, and the reel will still be there if I go over here, but it won't be on my profile grid anymore. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.